Hi, I'm Matt from Home Safety Solutions, and we're here to talk about our motorized hurricane-rated screens. These right here are an excellent option for closing off lanais, outdoor pool areas, outdoor kitchens, because what it'll essentially do is it'll turn that area into a little safe room. This is going to block out 95% of your wind and water, turning a 100-mile-per-hour wind to a 5-mile-per-hour breeze. So it gives you a great area to store your outdoor furniture, plants, grills, things like that. Tuck them behind the screen, you're good to go. They also double as a privacy screen. As you notice, since the sun's up right now, you can't really see in behind the screens while they're down, but it works with the multi-channel remote. It's push of a button, and we do have smart home automations options available as well. If you're looking for more information, reach out to us at stormshielder.com or give us a call 813-814-2236.